In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If your Instagram account was deleted and 30 days have passed, then it means that Instagram account is now permanently deleted. And in order to recover such permanently deleted Instagram account, what you need to do is to open your internet browser. Click on the search option and in the search bar type instagram.com/support. Then click on search. Now click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then tap on manage your account. And now click on the first option. Scroll down and below this was this helpful tab, select no and then click on other. Now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide all the details why you deleted your Instagram account. Once you have done that, tap on submit, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours your deleted Instagram account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.